The fragrance of flowers is due to the presence of some steam volatile organic compounds called essential oils. Fine. These are generally insoluble in water at room temperature, but they are miscible with water vapor in vapor phase. Arey वाह! Insoluble in water at room temperature, but they are miscible with water vapor in vapor phase. A suitable method for the extraction, they are actually asking us. A suitable method for the extraction of these oils from the flowers is, देखिए, essential oils are insoluble in water. यहाँ पर इन्होंने बोला भी हुआ है, essential oils are insoluble in water. What have they said? ये essential oils जो हैं, they are insoluble in water basically. But they are soluble in steam. Essential oils जो हैं, क्या कह रहे हैं ये soluble है steam में. Soluble in steam, insoluble in water. Insoluble in water, लेकिन soluble है ये steam में. Yes, and have high vapor pressure. Essential oils are insoluble in water, soluble in steam, and have high vapor pressure. Okay. Therefore, they can be separated by steam distillation. Fine. The processor, अगर मैं इस process के बारे में बात करूँ, so the processor is referred to as steam distillation if water is used as one of the immiscible liquids. Steam distillation का ये जो processor है, the processor is referred to as steam distillation कब? If water is used as one of the immiscible liquids. If water is used as one of the immiscible liquids. अब essential oils पानी में insoluble हैं. Yes, so water has been used as one of the immiscible liquids ना? हाँ जी. So it's often used to purify liquids that at their usual boiling points decompose. So for removing organic compounds like essential oils from plant species, steam distillation is actually used बच्चा. ठीक है, steam distillation हम use करते हैं. So steam distillation is a method that takes advantage of the properties of essential oils, which are volatile and miscible with water vapor, but immiscible with water basically. So इस process में क्या होता है कि जो steam होती है ना, it carries the essential oils through a distillation column where they are cooled and then collected up. So this method is ideal because it ensures कि essential oils they remain undamaged, resulting in the high quality product basically. I think you got my particular point over here. There won't be now any doubt regarding this particular thing. Is the thing clear to you? So thus if one of the substance in the mixture is water, अगर एक भी substance हमारे mixture में पानी है and the other one is water insoluble, जैसे कि ये essential oil water insoluble है, ठीक है, तो essential oil water insoluble है और हमारे पास पानी है, then the mixture will boil close to but below 373 Kelvin. ठीक है, so essential oils are insoluble in water, they have high vapor pressure at 373 Kelvin, but they are miscible with water vapor in the vapor phase. It means they are steam volatile. So steam distillation technique is used for the extraction of essential oils basically. ठीक है? Okay, that's fine.